Welcome to MindNotes Oracle DBA YouTube channel. Today we are going to look into system databases in SQL Server. Once we completed the SQL Server installation, we can see primary system databases, that is master, model, MSDB, TempDB and ResourceDB. ResourceDB was added after SQL Server 2005 version onwards. Let us see each databases in detail. What is the use of MasterDB? It contains file location for other databases. So anytime we can create another user defined databases is all the information and configuration resides, which also maintain the account of login details. It also contains server configuration settings. So anytime you can change the configuration, we should always be backing up the databases. If we used any links, server informations are stored here. Also, startup stored procedures are maintained here. It is a critical DB which must to take a backup. Without this DB, we can't start the SQL Server. The next one we are going to see model database. It is a template database which is similar to template one in PostgreSQL. Whenever the new database is created, the resource has been copied from this template database. As I said, the other function of model database is used to create the temporary databases. The next one is MSDB. It is also very critical DB with tremendous functionalities. Also, it supports the skill agent jobs, secure support, the skill management studio configuration. It takes care of the database mailing services, service broker. Also, it maintains the history and metadata information is available in that MSDB. It takes care of the backup and restore history of the other databases. It also maintains the detail of history of SQL agent jobs. Next system database is temp databases used to store the temporary objects, work tables, online index operations, cursors and so on. Snap isolation version stores, retentions and among other things. It is created every time when the server is restarted. So we can't take backup this particular DB. This is recreated based on the model template or model databases. The last system database is ResourceDB. From SQL Server 2005 version onwards, it is additionally added. It is read-only DB which contains all the system information. So we can't take backup of this particular DB. If you want to still take a backup, just make copy and paste. We can see still two more system databases, that is reporting services databases and replication system databases based on our option selected at the time of installation. If we choose reporting services, we can able to see report server and report server TempDB. As the same, if we configure the replication, we can able to see replication system databases as well.